Getting to warm up around here again, getting the goldwing out. More like getting it apart. Running into a situation where I have no neutral light, no reverse light, won't start, kickstand up, clutch in, nothing. You get no action out of it. So everything lights up. I haven't tried to like jump the starter. I'm trying to find this problem first. So anyways, your start switch or reverse lever switch, you have a signal coming in from relay box. Yeah, relay 3, which come back to that. Brown and white is your signal out, and it's either going to the reverse system or over to your neutral indicator. So I needed to jump the brown and white and the black and white to see if that was my issue. I could have tested the switch too, I guess. I didn't bring my multimeter out with me. Anyways, so brown and white, black and white on the outside, blue and white on the inside. I jumped those two wires right there. At first, nothing happened. I put the kickstand up and the clutch in and hit the start button a couple of times, and I started to hear the relay click, and then it fired up. It went. I questioned the relays going bad. I know the switch is bad, but this happened at the beginning of winter. I went to start it and move it inside, and the battery was low, and I cranked it till it died, and I think that caused the relay to stick. I've always had problems with the switch. Here's the switch. Now there's a hole right here, and you can see some contacts in there. So what I'm going to do is fill this thing with cleaner and just flush it out a bunch, put the multimeter on it, test my wires going for continuity on both sides. Because it was not working in reverse or neutral, so it didn't want to recognize either direction, which could be the relay sending the signal out. Yeah, hey, like, subscribe. If you got any questions or need to see a page, let me know.